In today's video, I am going to teach you how to refresh Shopify 2.0 theme. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you are signed in to the store you want to update. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and select Online Store. After that, click Themes. This is the main area where Shopify keeps your current live theme, as well as any extra theme versions that are saved in your store library. Before making any theme changes, it is always a good idea to create a backup. This gives you a safe copy of your current design in case you need to reference it later. In the Themes page, find your active Online Store 2.0 theme. This is the theme currently being used by your live storefront. Next to that active theme, look for the three dots menu. Click the three dots to open the available options for that theme. In the menu that appears, choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a copy of the theme and send the download link to the email address connected to the store admin account. This backup is important because refreshing or replacing a theme can affect the look and setup of your store. Having a copy stored safely means you can go back and check your previous version if needed. Once the backup has been requested, stay on the Themes page and scroll down until you see the Theme Library section. This section contains themes that are installed in your store but are not currently published. It is where Shopify stores draft themes, older versions, and newly added theme versions. You will use this area to add a fresh copy of your current theme before publishing it. Now in the Theme Library section, click Add Theme. A menu will appear with different options for adding a theme to your store. From that menu, select Visit Theme Store. This will take you to the Shopify Theme Store, where you can search for the theme you are currently using. The goal here is not to change to a totally different design, but to install a clean and updated copy of the same theme. In the Theme Store, find your current theme. You can search by the theme name if needed. Once you have found it, click Try Theme, or if Shopify shows the option, click Add Latest Version. The wording can vary depending on the theme and whether it is a free or paid theme. This action installs a fresh version of the theme into your theme library. It does not publish it right away, so your live store will not change at this stage. After the new version has been added, return to your Shopify admin and go back to Online Store, then Themes. If you are not already there, in the Theme Library section, find the newly added version of the theme. Click Customize next to that new version. This opens the Shopify Theme Editor, where you can review the layout, sections, settings, and overall appearance before making it live. Take a careful look through the main pages and settings in the editor. The purpose here is to confirm that the new theme version looks correct and that the important layout settings are in place. Since this is a refreshed copy, you want to make sure everything appears the way you expect before replacing the active theme. When you are satisfied with the updated version, return to the Themes page. In the Theme Library, locate the new theme version again and click Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm that you want to replace the current live theme with this new version. Confirm the Publish action and the refreshed Online Store 2.0 theme will become the active theme on your store. That covers everything you need to know. You have backed up your current theme, added a clean updated copy, reviewed it, and published it safely.